the crypto market remains range-bound, and XRP continues to move sideways for another day. However, many analysts believe this is about to change. We're nearing the end of this prolonged range, with growing expectations that XRP could soon see a significant breakout to the upside. In this video, we'll discuss these predictions and the potential for the entire market to follow suit.
I've been trading crypto successfully for over 380 days, consistently closing every month in profit. In the last 90 days alone, my followers have earned over $29,000 in profits by copying my trades. Want to see my verified stats? Click the first link in the profile description and start copying my trades for free today.
While there's a lot of negativity in the broader crypto space, the XRP community remains optimistic and confident about what's ahead. XRP has been outperforming the market, but sentiment elsewhere is a different story. If you've been on X, formerly Twitter, you've likely seen countless people venting and expressing frustration online, which, let's admit, is what the internet excels at. The mood isn't great right now, but this will change. Just like in every market cycle, the euphoria phase will come, and things will look very different. Altcoins are set to decline, while XRP is likely to continue outperforming the rest of the market. That said, I want to make it clear, I don't have a financial background, and this isn't financial advice. Please don't make any buying or selling decisions based on anything I say or write. I'm simply a crypto enthusiast who enjoys creating YouTube videos about crypto as a hobby, just for fun. As of now, it's 6:58 p.m. Central Time on Monday, February 10th, 2025. XRP is priced at $2.44 and Bitcoin is at $97,875. I'm still amazed that we're now sitting at $2.44. This is the kind of scenario we could only dream about years ago, and yet here we are. It's holding strong at these levels with ease. Even though we're slightly below the all-time high right now, we've already hit a new high this cycle, and that's before the real excitement for this cycle has even begun. Where do you think this will go? My bet is much higher. TechDev seems to agree. He shared a Bitcoin price chart with his 504,000 followers, highlighting the liquidity cycle correlation below it. His caption read, "Wonder where we are." It's clear he knows exactly where we are. What's next? Growth. Liquidity is increasing. Eventually, we'll see that euphoric blow off top. Unless, of course, you believe this time will be different. I don't think so. Famous last words, this time is different. Chart analyst Pepes recently shared a rare Bitcoin update. Back in January 2023, when Bitcoin was at $20,000, he called the start of the bull market, and it looks like there's more to come. Looking at Bitcoin's price history over the past decade, what do you think is next? While some analysts claim the run is over, I'm not convinced. Many of these opinions come from newcomers who might not have the experience to back their claims. From what I see, this market is far from done. I don't think this is over at all. Chart analyst Crypto Michael recently shared that his Bitcoin fractal has played out perfectly so far, and the next leg up should begin soon. I wouldn't be surprised to see that happen. As Bitcoin's price rises, its dominance is likely to drop, just as we've seen in every cycle. I expect XRP to significantly outperform during this time, leading into a full-blown alt season. Chart analyst Dom also shared an interesting observation. 45 days later, Bitcoin is still using the VWAP from Election Day as support, which suggests this range could break soon. No more testing $90,000 as support. That's the common prediction from chart analysts lately. It could happen today, tomorrow, or next week. While the exact timing is uncertain, a breakout seems inevitable. We won't stay range-bound forever. Here's a post from chart analyst Mustache, highlighting the crypto total market cap excluding Bitcoin. Did you know the weekly SMA 100 and SMA 200 for Total 2, the chart shown here, recently crossed bullish? The last time this happened was January 2021, marking the start of an epic alt season. Maybe the market isn't as bearish as it seems. He's clearly not buying into the negative sentiment. This exact scenario played out 4 years ago. If you were around in 2021, you'll remember the first half of that year. It was absolute madness. Back in 2017, things were even more intense, but still filled with chaos and pure euphoria. That feeling is making a comeback. The conditions are setting up for it to happen again. Here's a post from Charting Guy. This is the crypto total market cap, excluding Bitcoin and ETH. According to him, altcoins across the board look similar. An ABC correction, backtesting the bull market support band. Indicators haven't been this oversold since August 2024. Typically, when something is heavily oversold, it's a good sign for what's ahead, right? When it's this oversold, the market tends to correct itself. And now, here's another post from Charting Guy. This is from last night. XRP holders, did the wild dip to support levels catch you off guard? As you can see, it's referencing what happened earlier in February. How far did XRP drop? Around $1.88 or so. The important thing is it's still above the support band. Everything is absolutely fine. No need to panic. Of course, I don't even have to say that because our community isn't panicking. We're genuinely excited to be here. It's really great. I'm not used to this. Usually, in our community, there are always people complaining that XRP is just ranging, staying low, or never going to hit a new all-time high. But we're past that now. Here's a post from 2 days ago by chart analyst Ali Martinez. He noted that XRP looks ready for a rebound, citing the TD sequential indicator showing a buy signal on the daily chart. This is yet another analyst suggesting we may finally be moving past the recent range. This afternoon, Martinez shared another post with a similar message. He highlighted an XRP chart, saying that holding above $2.27 could create the momentum needed to rebound toward $3. Once again, this lines up with what most analysts are predicting right now. Here's a post from chart analyst Mikey Bold Crypto showing the XRP/USD chart. XRP appears to be preparing for a rebound, with $4 as the next target. Another analyst predicting upward movement soon. Then there's a post from the blockchain backer sharing this morning's YouTube video. Part of it mentions how the XRP chart mirrors historical altcoin market expansions. It was a great video. One key takeaway I noticed is something many analysts are emphasizing: we likely won't have to wait much longer. If you're curious about what this could mean for XRP, he's careful not to make any promises. After all, predicting exactly when the market will move is impossible. However, he mentioned that if history follows its usual patterns, XRP could see a major breakout around mid-March. So, within the next few weeks, it wouldn't be surprising if that happens. While no guarantees can be made, nearly every analyst he follows agrees that if history repeats, or at least rhymes, prices are likely to climb. This is far from over. He strongly believes XRP will reach a new all-time high and finally enter price discovery, a phase it has yet to achieve. It's great to see we've already hit that all-time high, but we haven't seen price discovery for XRP above it yet. We've just been consolidating, though it's clear it won't stay that way for long. Here's a post from Crypto Insight UK's chart analyst. He mentions XRP dominance on the 3-day chart, noting that XRP dominance looks ready to surge with a hidden bullish divergence on the stochastic RSI breakout next. XRP appears poised to take off after its dominance completes a Wyckoff accumulation phase. So, yet another analyst suggests, yes, the number is likely to go up. These are analysts who correctly predicted that XRP would break to the upside. And they were absolutely right. I'll keep following them because they saw what many others couldn't or wouldn't due to XRP derangement syndrome. Here's a post from chart analyst Dark Defender. XRP is nearly done consolidating on the daily chart, as indicated by RSI lows. Wave 3 is gearing up to push past the $5.85 mark. The short-term targets are $5.85 and $8.76, with support levels at $1.88 and $2.33. We're entering the warming up phase of Wave 2, which he also believes is happening soon. Now here's a post from chart analyst C. Gray Crypto, mimicking ranges, but only the real OGs managed to buy under $1. A solid pump of around 230%, followed by an extended range, set the stage. However, two sharp drops of 54.65% and 59.73% presented great buying opportunities. Looking at the current price action, XRP might be setting up for another lifetime opportunity. A similar drop could bring its price to around $1.54. A 59.73% drop from the recent $3.40 high would land XRP at about $1.37. In my view, these targets resemble 54 cents and 37 cents, just with a dollar shift upwards. If this chance arises, though it's not guaranteed, listen to the XRP community and stack up while you can. It's entirely possible that prices dip in the short term. That's something even analysts like Credible Crypto have pointed out. But don't panic. This isn't the end of the road. Those warnings aren't meant to scare you. They're simply a heads up that volatility happens. And even if it does, the bigger picture remains exciting. New all-time highs and price discovery are still on the horizon. On a larger time frame, nothing changes. The best days are still ahead, my friends. But hey, just a gentle reminder, I'm not a financial advisor. Don't make any buying or selling decisions based solely on my words. Seriously, that would be a terrible idea. Stay smart and keep your eyes on the long game.